Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm doing a bedroom deep clean. I've realised it's actually been a little while since I've given the bedroom some proper TLC, so that's what I wanted to do today. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So before I could go in and give it a good deep clean, I've got to just first of all give it a quick tidy so I can have as much room as possible to work with. So I'm just going to go around sorting out all of the clothes and also stripping the bed so I can get that put in the wash. So once the bed was all stripped and in the wash, I just wanted to go in with some anti-bac spray and wipe over all of the doors and the door handles and just make sure that everything is disinfected and nice and clean.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna ride.
So I never actually noticed how bad the doors are until I clean them, and then you can really tell how bad they were. So I'm really glad that I did this today. I now need to get started on the skirting boards. As you can see, they are filthy. So I just need to go around the whole room and give them a good dust over. Even though I do clean the room sort of every other day and I'm always hoovering in here, I don't really pay that much attention to the skirting boards. So they've definitely built up over time. So I'm just going to go in and give them a good wipe over because I just think it makes the bedroom it feels so cozy.
I'm on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself
I actually really enjoyed just focusing on the one room today, so I think I'm definitely going to be doing this a little bit more often, and the next few days I'm thinking of just doing a deep clean in each room rather than trying to run around like a headless chicken trying to get the whole house done. I'm just going to give each room more of a deeper clean. So let me know down in the comments what rooms you would like to see me do a deep clean in.
It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow.
So I now just want to get started on the windows, and I'm really glad that I did this today because there was actually a fair bit of mould building up in the corners that I just didn't notice before. So I'm going to go in doing the window frames with the anti-bac spray, getting rid of any mould and unwanted marks and dirt, and then I'm going to be doing the glass with the method spray because it smells so good, and because I've got such a small bedroom it just fills the whole bedroom with such a gorgeous fragrance. So yeah, again, I'm really glad that I did this today because that mould would have gone unnoticed for a very long time, and I just didn't expect it because we do have the window open most nights, so it's not something I expect and it's not something that I look for, so I'm really glad that I noticed it today.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great.
So next I just wanted to go back in with the hoover and do the headboard and also hoover off the mattress because I haven't done that since we've got this new mattress, and the amount of hair that was on there was unbelievable, and obviously it was all on my side of the bed because my hair just constantly falls out, but it's so thick. I am surprised I'm not bald with the amount of hair that I lose every single day, but I needed to go in and finally do this mattress. I have actually been thinking about it a lot. Like every time I strip the bed I just see hair everywhere, and I never get round to it, or I always just forget because I'm too busy doing other things, because that always happens whenever I do the whole house. I'm always thinking what I need to do in the next room, so it was really good to focus all of my time on this one room because I got so much more done than I would have any other day.
My world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is here.
So you can probably tell by the lighting that it is a little bit later on in the day. For some reason this bedding just didn't want to dry today, so I've already taken it out of the dryer once, started putting it on the bed to find that it was still quite damp, and I had to take it back to the dryer, but luckily it's dry and I can get it put back on the bed. And I actually love putting warm fresh bedding on the bed. It's just so fresh and cozy. I absolutely love it, but this whole room now just smells so fresh.
World on fire. You set my world on fire.
I would like to also go in and steam mop the carpets, use shake and vac and just make the carpets extra clean, but I decided to save doing that until I do the spring clean because all of my spring cleaning is coming up in the next few weeks. So as I was running out of daylight, I thought that can wait, as again, I'm doing spring cleaning very soon, so all of the carpets in the house are going to be steam mopped and cleaned, so I thought I may as well just wait until then.
I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me?
I really hope you've enjoyed today's bedroom deep clean. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments what rooms you want to see me deep clean and what your favourite room is to deep clean. I would love to know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.